Hello guys, how to fix if your Snapchat not working on your iPhone? If you face that your iPhone Snapchat not working properly, then here are the fixes. Try workarounds as described in this videos. The first one is tap on settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and look for a Snapchat app, a Snapchat settings. Tap on a Snapchat settings. In this, make sure that all the services location, microphone, camera is duly enabled or turned off. Also, cellular data turned off. Allowed location access, choose while using the app. So, contacts, microphone, camera should be duly turned on. And check whether your Snapchat working properly or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is again tap on settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and tap on cellular and here go to cellular data apps by uses. Under this feature, the Snapchat should be duly enabled under cellular data. If we found it, the Snapchat, enable it under cellular data. The next one is again tap on settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and go to a Snapchat settings again. And here from where you can also turn on cellular data. The next one more workaround to fix this issue is go to App Store. Here click on your profile icon from the top right corner and go to available updates. And if any update available regarding Snapchat app, then simply update it. Sometimes outdated Snapchat app may be a cause of error and it's not working properly on your iPhone. So you must update your Snapchat app in your iPhone. That's all.